Guys, we have an OEDRO 7-inch round LED headlight kit here, and we're going to install it today. So, give you guys a little bit peek at the unboxing here. Kind of impressive. So, got some instruction booklets here, and bam, got the lights. So, look pretty nice. Really nice. They're all metal. So, I think these are going to be pretty good. Let's see. I'll be back with you soon. So, first thing you're going to want to do, take out these clips right here along top of your grill. This is an aftermarket grill, so it could be a little bit different on the stock one. Then, the grill has these little clips right here. You're going to take those, pull the grill straight back. They'll pop right out. The other thing, these signal lights, excuse me, they have a connection right here that you're going to want to take out. So, all pretty simple stuff. Alright, so we got the grill out. These little clips hold it down on the top, which they are pretty cheap and fragile. So, if you break them, you can get them at AutoZone or any other parts store. It's always good to have a couple extra on hand, because they do break every once in a while. So, next thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want a Torx bit T15 here. We're going to take these guys right here out, pull your headlight assemblies out. We're going to reuse this whole ring right here, and so we will get to that and then get right back to you. Alright, so after you get that ring off, your headlight will be free here, and you will be able to see the plug that goes into. Now, you have two sets of plugs on your lights here. This will be the first connector that goes into this green plug here. This will actually be what plugs in to your anti-flicker LED CAN bus resistors. Then they will install into the light. Now, it would be great if these had some 3M tape on the back of them, so we could stick them up in somewhere in there. They wouldn't be rattling around. Might be a little bit better, but we'll see how this goes.